In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the patterns from Let's Make It Academy because it is so simple, and a few people end up emailing me asking me how to do it. So here's how. First, choose the course that you would like the pattern for. So I'll just choose the hamburger one right here. And then you'll have to enroll, and don't worry, it is free. So provide your email address, your first name, last name, and then sign up. In the course, it will look like this. And depending on which course you're looking at, you'll have probably different options here on the left. So of course, for the pattern, you're just gonna click on pattern. And when you do, you'll see you may have 1, 2, 3, or maybe more of these sheets here. So you click on pattern 1 or whatever order you want to go, and then you go right up here on the top right, you click the download arrow, and what it does is it downloads it straight to your computer from there. It will go to wherever you have your download set up or your preferences set up on your computer, and then you can just print it from there. I hope this video helped you, and please don't hesitate to email me anytime. Thanks for watching.